Have another landlord giving us a call today. Apparently one of their local little rental abodes is having some issues. The maintenance people went by to get it prepared for a new tenant, and the thermostat would not respond to anything. More than likely, probably just a damaged thermostat. You mash those buttons real hard. It's not really got much of a little switch back there. They're easy to break. So more than likely just a faulty thermostat, but we'll pull in here, take a look and see what we can find. Yes, indeed. Well, it moves. They were saying it wouldn't move. I heard the equipment turn on. Yeah, that one's a little stiff there. So all these are, you got a little plunger there that presses down on these buttons. They are kind of sensitive, they get mashed. There we go. Yeah. So it does move after a little bit of finagling. There we go. Might have just been stuck. Yeah, seems okay now. I think it just felt it move in there. I don't know if I can get that back on there one-handed. There we go. Okay. I think that's all it was. Just these little buttons. It was just a little jammed, and I wiggled it and felt it break loose. So probably my easiest service call of the day. Yeah. All right. Well, not too bad. So I guess we'll move on to the next one. I don't know if that's long enough for a video. Well, not too bad of a little service call on that one. It was literally the little micro switch had been depressed to the point that it was jammed. Probably somebody trying to push the temperature up or down, whether that little plunger on the actual plastic button's angle caused it to get stuck, or somebody just pressed it way too hard. After messing with it for a little while, I pushed it around with my thumbnail and I actually felt it pop back where it had been depressed so much it was stuck, essentially. So calling the landlord, they did decide just to give it a try, see what it would do, and if they needed me to replace it, they'd give me a call, but they wanted to try it first. So we'll move on to the next one. If my day keeps going that way, I'll probably be home by 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So we'll see how it goes.